When you watch all of this, what do you think? When an object loses the original common idea, it immediately becomes useful, but it maintains the same material and its reach of experience and history. In particular, the soccer ball, one of the most recognized and used objects of the world, in the spotlight for all this life, is full of passion, happiness, joy and magic moments, but it also filled of sadness, fear, pain. Like a modern toy, and once unusable, it's become garbage. Something to get out, destroy, and with it, all its memory. And this is a failure of imagination. I take this dead soccer ball and after 4 processes of recycle where I clean, color, treat the raw material, and after unstick one for one the original pieces of soccer ball, I reapplied them with nappa leather as a mosaic in a long hand sewing process. This artisan heat refreshed the raw material as a new form, but I don't create the forms, are the forms that manifest themselves to me. As an explorer, I don't create bags, I discover bags. My project wants to be as a stimulus, to have a different point of view, to have a different approach about what we call garbage. It wants to say, hey, do not trash it. Think what could it become. But it's only a starting point. A starting point as this competition that I entered because I like the idea to confronting myself and my project with other designers who share the same passion for recycle and active design. If I win, a new and strong motivation.